Talafalava. So today has been a pretty low-key day. Ooh, what happened? So I did some laundry and I did some filming with my dad. Then after that I went and had dinner at Coco Banana. It was lovely. What do I want to tell you? Our Samoan classes. So there are 3 classes in the 1A, so that's the very beginners, the pronunciation and alphabet and all that kind of stuff. So 3 classes are almost confirmed, and that is the Tuesday 12 noon, which only needs 2 more people, the Tuesday 6 p.m, which also only needs 2 people, and the Friday at 9 a.m, which only needs 3 people. Then we have the 1B classes, and we have 2 classes for the 1B that are almost full. So 1B is the continuation of 1A. So you're not going all the way to the beginning. You're starting with the knowledge that you already had in 1A. You'll be going over adjectives, some simple commands, as well as numbers and positional numbers, so like first, second, third, fourth, that kind of stuff. Yeah, so 1B classes that are almost confirmed, so they almost have 6 people in it, are the Tuesday at 11, which needs 3 more people, and the Tuesday at 7 p.m, which also needs 3 more people for confirmation. So in the 1A class, there are also other times that are available that might suit you better. They are Tuesday at 10 a.m. and Tuesdays at 4 p.m. There is also a Friday at 11 a.m. class for the 1A, which is probably perfect for those who are in California and Utah. For the 1B class, we have other classes as well that are available. They are Tuesday at 9 a.m. and Tuesday at 5 p.m, as well as Friday at 10 a.m. and Friday at 12 p.m. So if you already have a little bit of a grasp of Samoan and you just wanted to take it that little bit further, the 1B class is probably best for you. I'll have a little tracker thing in case you wanted to see what time zone best suits you.